Want to stop specific people from watching your Instagram story? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to hide your Instagram stories from specific users without blocking them or privating your account. Now let's get started. To begin, open Instagram and go to your profile. Then tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings. Then tap Privacy. Select Story. Now tap Hide Story From. Here you can select any of your followers you'd like to hide your stories from. This does not remove them from your followers list, stop them from seeing your regular feed posts, block them entirely, or notify them in any way. They simply will not be able to see your stories. When you're finished selecting people, tap Done in the top right corner to save. If you want to stop someone from seeing your story who does not follow you, go to their profile page. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then select Hide Your Story. That's all it takes to hide your story from specific users on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.